Enchanted Box Game. Doon muna tayo sa game rules. Kada tayo, Team 1, answer the first question. Receiver, lock na natin yung answer nyo. Sige, reveal natin. Receiver is correct. Is to keep or give the box. Official pa lang naman, marami pang mangyayari. Ilaban. Points agad. Okay, active third 2. So, kayo na. 7. Lucky 7. Question. It is the process by which nakukuha yung grupo nyo. B, ang sagot nila ay communication. Correct? Keep or give the box? Keep. Negative 10 points. 3. Source is correct. Keep or give the box? Swap with team 1. Lucky 9. Verbal. Plus 20 sa team. Non-verbal. Correct. Keep or give the box?
Keep na lang. Keep. Go, keep.
Swap with grabe kayo sa kanila. Information. Correct. Keep or give?
Keep po.
Keep muna daw. Keep. Ilaban natin ito. Plus 10 points. So, that is good. Actually, information. Incorrect? Saan mo pupunta? Plus 5 to team 2. The plural form of medium that refers to any channel of communication is called media. Correct. Mas mahirap pa mag-decide kaysa sumagot.
Keep lang. Keep.
As of now, leading pa rin sila. Team 2, negative 15. Keep. Pero pag minamalas talaga, wala tayong magagawa. No, score. Plus 15 to team 1. Channel is correct. Plus 10 points. At give. Say, give it away to what group? Team 2, sa inyo daw yung score. Keep or give? Start. Oh, plus 20 to team 2. Give. Wow. Discarded to what team? 4. points. 8. Siyempre, keep or give the box. Parang yung kamalasan na lumipat sa inyo. Keep or give? Keep. Correct. Keep or give? Keep. Give to what group? Team 1! Talaga. It's up to you to decide.
Tapang talaga natin, fighting!
Oh, keep daw. Matapang sabi, di keep. Lose all points. Sorry.
Masiya. Kasi block kita.
Plus! Keep! 33. At least. Feedback is very obvious, correct? Keep it or give. Naka-50 sila. Okay, team 1. Masi-safeguard nyo ba yung 140 ninyo? Dito ako naghihintay ng ng pagkakamali eh. 31. You have 140 points. Keep it or give away. Pag ginig ninyo, na-safeguard yung report ninyo, makakatulong kayo o makakasira ng kinabukasan.
Give daw.
Babe, kanina. Group 3, naka-negative kayo. Sana swapping. Oh, lakas na loob yan. Oh.
Learning's fun, no limits, just a fearless plan. This is the class, Miss Lovely Jen.
Nino.